Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Samsung backup stuck on cloud in 2026. For that, the first thing that you must do is make sure that your device battery level is above 15%. If it drops below 15%, your device will stop the upload process, and then you'll have to plug it into a charger. The other thing that you can try and do is clear the app cache. For that, what you can do is simply head over to your quick settings and head over to settings on your device. Once you're here, tap on apps and then head over to search. Once you're here, you can simply search for Samsung Cloud. And then tap on Samsung Cloud. Once you're here, scroll down, hit storage, and clear the cache of Samsung Cloud. The other thing that you can try and do is switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off on your device and try again. The other thing that you must do is ensure that your Samsung Cloud storage is not full by inspecting the storage limits in your account settings. If all else fails, you can simply head over to your power icon. If all else fails, you can simply head over to your quick settings and then your power icon and restart your device and try again. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.